Overlay displays the rigging plot for the venue that you chose. The red line indicates the outline of the venue. The green line indicates the rigging area of the venue. In Overlay, you have the Tools icon in the top left side. Using Overlay tools, you can get detailed information about distances, weight, and bridle connections. In the top center, you can choose between Default or Weight. Default displays the name and type of the points. Weight displays the points in a color palette for a quick overview of all the points. Using the Units button in the top right corner, you can change units in your show.